Yuri, kamusta? My brother Yuri from XB. Nagkakapoy ng room niya. HK yan, par. Dito tayo sa Hong Kong. Grabe stamina nyo, Malima. I didn't actually expect it to be that hot. So I was wearing like a very thick coated fur, and what do you call that in English? Hinahapo. Hinahapo kanina. So I was really exhausted during the first set of our concert. But it was all worth it. I can really feel the energy of Hong Kong 18. And I was surprised with a lot of locals that have been singing our songs, and even from, I think they traveled all the way from different parts of the world, who doesn't look like they're Filipinos. I think a lot of them, and even during my concert last year here in Hong Kong, I saw a lot of locals and Chinese who really watched us, and it's really great. It's really refreshing. Thanksgiving. What do you mean? Thanksgiving. Oh yeah, like the anniversary. We'll be having, diba, the something in October. I think we've released the details already, diba? Tagal ng ayos mo di dumating. Oo nga eh. No, I've been trying to speak English for the non-Filipino, of course 18, or people who has been watching me. And at least to, diba, to interact with these guys as well. Pero pag ano naman, Pinoy yung pwede ko namang kausapin. Pag Pilipino yung marepa nating tanungan dyan, Pilipino rin yung sagutan natin. Josh Cherry May, please. Anong date na ngayon? Go to Macau? What's in Macau? I haven't been to Macau. Try to Indonesia 18. Hi, Indonesia 18. We went there last time, and you guys are really great. Hi, Betkilona Franco. Her name is me. My nails. Natanggal na nga agad yung iba, oh. Stick on. How about those ice? Like those ice? Ito rin natin. Maybe I should get a necklace, no? It's full diamond. Uy, Will Ashley. Ano, Valorant na? Valorant. Wala ka ba na press on? Naubos na eh. Tagal yung yellow, ba't wala pa? Hindi na kami napaglaro ni Will ng Valorant. Mama ko kasi yun eh. Bubuhatin ako niyan. Di ba ano siya? Radiant? Radiant ka, di ba? Rank 1 ako dahil sa inyo. Saan ka rank 1? Sa school? Sa work? Did you go shopping again? I wish I had time, no? Wish I had time. Not yet. True po ba yung piercing niyo sa kilay? Yeah. Kahit ang piercing ko, totoo. Love it. I had this since, I was really young. As in young. Hindi pa legal age. As in very young. I had this already. This piercing, this one. Ocean eyes. So nga, no? I should have done that, no? Say paldo, Josh. Paldo. Ang piercing mo pinakamasakit? Siguro itong labi na. Kasi the hardest thing about the lip piercing, yung ba? Papa-pierce ka. After a while, kakain ka. Tapos yung piercing, sumasabit sa ipin. Mas ang tagal niya mag-heal. Kasi lagi ka kumakain. Pero kung dila, I feel like mas masakit yun. Hindi ako nagpa-pierce sa dila eh. You play ML? I play. Lupit-lupit ko mag-ML ah. Magdadagdag ka po ng tattoo. Wow, unfinished pa nga ito eh. Unfinished pa to. Ayan ang yellow natin. Wait. Give me a second, man. Yeah, hello. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Take care. Ba't hindi pinalitan yung tubig ko? Wait. Refill lang tayo. Ocean eyes. So my life this year has been on tour, non-stop tour. Ikot lang North America, Asia, UAE. Yan. We're gonna be in Australia soon, diba? And might be, malay nyo, madagdagan ng mga Ice Master Josh. Ayan. Ano tayo? Yellow. Ching. High-tech. Hindi, may. Ano very, alam mo yon yung parang kung ganda ng view. Gusto nyo makita. Ish. Kita ba? Very particular ako when it comes to food temperature, food texture. Gusto ko lahat fresh. So kunwari kakain ako, inom akong tubig, kailangan malamig. Pag coffee, or alam mo yun, yung shake, kunwari halo-halo, ayoko nang surog na yung yelo nun. Gusto ko fresh. Pag tubig, gusto ko malamig. Medyo lumalamig na yung ano natin, bake house natin. Kailangan bilis ako kumain. Ang bagay ko kasi kumain. Gamitin na ocean ay sige gawin ko yun. Kasi walang TikTok dito, paano ko gagawin? Mag-VPN ako. Bawal TikTok dito. New Zealand. Di ba pupunta kami? Hindi ba kami pupunta? I'm so confused, you know? Bakit bawal TikTok dyan? I think iba ang TikTok. Ano nila, yung original ata. Which came from China ba? Ano ba yung ano nila? Yung sarili nilang platform. Maglalaglag ako. Kasi mabilis na ako maano, no? Sa inyo gusto sa mukha? De, joke lang. Maybe sa leg. And wala ko ng full sleeve. Di ba na-ban yung TikTok sa HKS? Bawal dito. So pag na-detect ka kasi mababan, hindi naman mababan, pero malalaki yung account mo for a week. And hassle yun, syempre. So hindi ko siya binubuksan. Hopefully hindi ma-ban or ma-lock. Douyin. Douyin. Sa likod ng ear, masakit yun, no? Pwede rin. Dito. Sana next time, no phone allowed to standing. Yun nga eh. It's really hard. That's why I'm telling these guys, if you guys want to party, you party. Enjoy the moment. I know it's important to film, but you should enjoy the concert as well. Lalo na sa mga nasa harap, puro phone.